So, in this question, this is a locating brackets. So, in this locating brackets, we are going to see how we can get the construction. So, this is the sketch from that locating brackets. So, this is a first angle projection. This is the front view. This is the side view, and this is the plan. The side view is at the left hand side because when you view the diagram from the right, meaning the side view from the right, and we place it to the left, the opposite sides. So that's why it is here instead. So, all right. So first of all, we get our lines. But from this dimension, from this question, I was able to see that the total height of everything is around 136. That's 13.6 centimeter. So when you want to draw it from the borderline, I make sure that I have at least 14 centimeter space. Yeah, I make sure I have like 14 centimeter space before I get my horizontal line. So let's say something around there. So I can get my line like this. So making sure like here is up to 14 centimeter at least. 14, yeah, 14 at least. Or 14, let's say 14.5. Yeah, from the border line to this line. Let's say 14.5 centimeter, 14.5 centimeter. Let's get at the horizontal line. The essence is such that this place can be able to contain this diagram here. Then after getting the horizontal line, I want to get my vertical line. So let me start from here. Let me have enough space here. So from here, I will take my protractor. Then I'll continue to the next part. Now with the protractor now, I'll put it at this point. So at this point, 90 degree, I join, then I extend the line. Next, since it's first angle projection and the line will be to this side, so I'll get my 45 degree downwards. So my 45 degree downwards will be between 40 and 50, or between 130 and 140. And I join it together and I also extend downwards. All right, next thing now, I'm going to get my marginal lines as usual, 0.5 up and down. 0.5 here also. I join the two. And the same thing here. Then for the vertical, I'll do the same thing. 0.5 left and right. Do the same thing downwards. 0.5 also. Then I join together. Okay. Now is to start with the diagram. Now I'm going to start with horizontal distances. Now from the diagram, the horizontal distances, if you check at the diagram there, horizontally, everything in total is 58. Then horizontally, from here to here is 38. Okay, my sketch is incomplete yet. I have this one, and I have this place. and this place. Okay. Then from here to here, now everything total is 38. From here to here is 12, while from here to here is 7. So that means I'm taking 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, and 5.8. 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, 5.8. Okay. Now, starting with this place here, I will start with 0 0.7 from this line. Okay, let me show you the line so that you can see it more accurately. So I'm starting from this line to my left. From this line to my left. So 0 0.7 at first. Or better still, let me do it like this. So if 0 is at the line, making sure my ruler is horizontally inclined. So I will mark 0 0.7. After 0 0.7, 1.2. After 1.2, 3.8. After 3.8, 5.8. 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, 5.8. I will do the same thing downwards also. As I used to say, two lines or 2 points form a line. It will be 2 points that will form a line. A point cannot form a line, but 2 points. So 0 0.7, 0 at this line. So 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, 5.8. So what next? Next thing now is to join a straight line, 2, 3, and 4. Hmm? Now this thing that I've done here, can I repeat the same thing down here? Yeah, let me do that. Because what I use here, I'll still be using it here. So let me do the same thing at this place too. So this is what I want to do at this part. Also, so I'm going to have it from here, 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, and 5.8. 5.8 will be down here. I do the same thing at this place also. 0 0.7, 1.2, 3.8, and 5.8, which will be here. So the next thing now is for me to join them together horizontally. But now when I join horizontally, see what happens. It's going to meet with this one. So let me just note something. This one is for the 0 0.7 that goes up. Then the same thing here. This one is meeting this place. This one is for the 1.2. Then the same thing here also. Yeah, these two. This one will join and meet this one. This one is for the 3.8. Am I right? Yes. Then the last one down here, I will do the same thing and I will join. That's one. Let me see. Okay. So that one is for the So this one is for the 5.8. Hmm? All right. Now, back to the question now. So I've gotten this and this. Now, let me get the next thing now. Now, let's get the vertical for this place. Now, for these ones now, the dimension, I'm starting with, from here to here is 1.2. So I'm starting with 1.2. That's 12. Uh, Everything here is 18. This is 18. Huh? That means middle is what? From here to here is what? 14. Right? Okay. Now, 40, that's 12. 40. 12 will give me this point. 40 will give me the middle point. Hmm? But before I got 12, if I got 12, how do I get this place? Should I do that now or later? Okay, I will get this place later. So 12 for this, 40 for this. I will get this place and this place later. And now this place now. How do I get this place? 80 minus 12. Here to here is also 12. 80 minus 12 is 68, right? Okay. So next one is 68. 68 will give me here plus 12 again. That's 18. 8 will give me here. Everything is from that diagram, as you can see there. Now next, the middle of this place, 66 minus 40, that's 26. From here to here is 26. If I add 26 to 18, that's 106. 106 will give me this. Then if I add 26, from here to here is 20. That's the radius of this place, 20. That'll be 126. Everything total is 126. So I will use this one now to get the vertical that I need for now. Later, I will get the other ones. So let me get all this now. 12, 40, 68, 80, 106, and 126. So this is how I will start from here. Now, I'm starting from this line. Let me get the line vertical so that we can see it clearly. So I'm starting from this last line. Starting from the last line. So I'll put my ruler like this. And then I will take my dimension. So if my ruler is like this, taking my dimension, I'm starting with 12. That's 1.2. After 12 is 40, 4 centimeter. After 4 is 68, 6.8. This is 6.8. Everything from 0. After 6.8 is 80. That's 8. After that is 106. That's 10.6. Then after that is 126. That's 12.6. Understood? Then I will come downwards also. Let me do it from here. Okay. So 12, 1.2, 4.0, 6.8, 8.0, 10.6, 12.6. I will join it, then I will extend it downwards. This is where I extend it to. Passing this 5.8, so I will extend it downwards. So that's what I'm doing there. I join this one also. Done. The next one. Done. The next one. Done. The next one. And the last one. I'm making the lines thick so that we can easily see it, but the line should not be as thick as this. So I extend everything to pass the 5.8 line, as you can see there. Now that's what I will have for the vertical. Now, one last thing to get now is the horizontal stuff here. Now, how do I get this horizontal? Now, based on some calculation, I know everything from here to here is 80 in total. Huh? But now from here to here is 15. 15. But from this 50 now, 50 in the middle of 80, that's difference of 30, right? Then half of 30 is what? 15. That means from here to here is 15, and here to here is what? 15. Now this is a sketch, right? Now, um, I was told from the diagram, we can see that from the middle of this place to the middle of this place is what? 76, right? Now, if it's 76, from here to here is 14. That's 76 plus 40, and from here upward is 20. So this gives us 76 plus 60. This gives us 136. The total height is this 136 here. Now, difference between 136 and 80 is 56, right? Now, if it's 56, that means from here to here, remaining from here to here like this is 56, right? Eh. Now, if it's 56, how do we get from here to here? Now, from here to here is 40. The radius here is 20. If you see at the diagram, radius here is 20. That means diameter will be what? 40. So if from here to here is 40, 40 from 56, that's 16. That means from here to here is 16. Hmm? From here to here is 16. So now, what dimension am I now taking from down? So if I start from down, I'm starting with 15. If I add 50 to 15, that's 65. But before I get 65, let me get the midpoint, right? Midpoint of here will be 40, right? So 15, 40, now 65. If I add 15 to 65, that will give me 80. Okay, if I continue upward, 80 plus 16, that will give me 96. Now, if it's 96 now, the middle here will be 20, right? 20 plus 96, that's 116. Plus another 20, 126. So this is what I'll be using for now, upward. So taking all these dimensions from 15, 40 all the way to 136, I'm going to get that. Then I will continue. Okay, now let's start. Um, so this is how I'm going to place my ruler. Okay, let me show it well. This is how I'll be placing my ruler. 0 will be on this line. 0 will be on this line. Hmm? You can see why I said you should have enough space up there, so that it will have space. So when you want to start from your borderline, let it be like 14.5 centimeter. So now 15, I'm taking all this now. 15, that's, make sure your ruler is straight. You can see, look at the difference. So it's because of the videoing, that's why it's like this. But let me see how best I can do this. All right, 1.5, 4.0, 6.5, 8.0, 9.6, 11.6, 13.6. I've got my points here. So let me do the same thing at this side. Let me do it here. It's not necessarily it should be on the line, but making sure that 0 is on this first horizontal line. So upward now, I'm going to repeat the same thing from 15 to 136. Well, so 1.5, 4.0, 6.5, 8.0, 9.6, 11.6, 13.6. Okay. Now, with this point now, we join them together horizontally. Hmm? Now with the 1.5 first. So we join each of them together horizontally, just like I'm doing now. So making sure they are aligned and parallel to each other. So I'm making the lines thick so that you can see them clearly. But all these lines that I'm having currently, they are to be faint line. Then the last one of 136. I join this also. Okay, now I think I've gotten what I need for now. I can now start to get my sketch based on the thick line. Now for this now, I'm going to start from here. So for this one, I'm going to start from here. Okay, this is the middle. Hmm? But I'm taking from here. This is the middle. So I'm starting from here. This is where I'm starting from. So from here to the extreme end first. In total, it is 5.8. From here to here is 5.8. Hmm? So I will take it upward extremely to the 136. That's to this apex point here. Yeah, I'm starting with the side view first. Yeah, to make it easier. Hmm? Okay. Then the top from to the 3.8, that's to this one, to the second to the last line, this two. Now I'm going to take it down till I get to the 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter will be here. Here to here is 8. Let's see. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3. This third place here. This is where I get it to for now. Okay. Then after that, I will join it to this place. Then I will take it down to this place. All right. Next now, in between this place, I'm having 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So the other two, there will be broken line in between this place to show that there's a hollow space in this figure that cannot be seen from the side view. That's why we are using this broken line to show the hollow space. Hmm? Okay. Next. Okay. Next, there will be a part here from here to 1, 2, then to this place. I will join this place as thick line, then to this side as thick line. Hmm? Now I want to finish everything in the side view before I continue. Now, next thing now, let me get this place. So let's get this place. So at this point here, normally these lines are going to intersect here, but there will be a curve here. Hmm? So that little curve, I can use my French curve. The curve is gotten from the structure itself. We fillet the structure. I firstly did it in SolidWorks before. So this place is what we want to get. So we can use this French curve just to intersect between here and here. Let's see how it will form. Just a small curve like this. Hmm? Okay. So when you do that, this space will join, the curve will join to the extreme end as a straight line. Then this place to this place as a straight line. That's for that part. But now we still have something else. Um, can I see that? Okay, we still have something else, but the other one we do it later. Now, this place now, there's a space here. Um, this middle circle, I will actually get this later when we do this space. But this middle circle is of um yeah 2.5 diameter, 2.5, that's radius 1.25. Okay, I will leave this place. When I'm done with the front view, I will get the broken line that's supposed to be here. All right. Now let's go over to the side view, to the front view. The side view is almost completed, remaining small thing. Now to the front view now. We take our compass. Hmm? Radius of 4 centimeter at first. Now, where will be the center line? This one is the center. So this one and this one. So this will be the center line, this place here. Hmm? So if you put our compass here, check, it will intersect down, it will intersect left, it will intersect right, it will intersect up. You draw your circle. This circle will be thick. Huh? The circle will be thick. Okay, I think that's enough. Then another one is of radius 2.5, the second circle. Radius of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, let's check from the same center point. Radius 2.5 will intersect with this lower one. So with the lower one and the upper one here. So let's see. You make it thick. Yeah, it will not mean left and right. Those left and right is for something else. But to me, the lower and the upper one. Hmm? Now let's continue. Now, the highest points of this diagram here, this is the highest point, right? Now, from here to here, you make it a stick line. The highest point to this place, like this, just to intersect with the circle. The second one also the same thing, just to intersect with the circle. Hmm? Okay. Yeah. Now the other one from here also going upward, also to intersect with the circle. Then this other one going upward, we also intersect with the circle. No need for the middle one. So just only those two left and right. Then we join the top together. Okay. So we have this now. All right, let's continue to this place. Now at this place again, we take our compass. First of all, radius 2 centimeter. Radius of 2 centimeter. Now if you use this will be our center point, this place. It intersects up, then intersect to, can just delete to this place, then it will come down. So for this first one, we only need it as an arc, not as a full circle. That's what we need for this place. So that when we now join it to this place as a straight line, We've gotten what we need for this part. That's radius of 2 centimeter. Now, next, now we now take a compass again. The second circle, we've gotten the now remaining one, two circles. So radius, diameter 2.5 and radius 1.6. If the diameter is 2.5, so you can just take 1.2 and 1.25, between 1.2 and 1.3. So radius of 1.2, 1.25, radius of 1.2 or 1.25. So from the same center point, we draw our circle. Then diameter is 1.6, that's radius of 0.8. So radius 0.8 still from the same center point, we draw another circle. Okay. What next? 1, 2, 3. So 3 circles. Okay. So we've gotten this place now. We've gotten the front view. Now let me finish this place. Now, how do I get that side now? First of all, if from here to here is 40, then 25. 40 minus 25, that's what? 15, right? 15 divided by 2 will give us what? 0.7, 7.5, right? Or 0.75. So we just take 0.7 now. So from this place down, take 0.7, 0.7 down. From this place, take 0.7 up. So you can do the same thing here also. Let's say somewhere here, 0.7 up and 0.7 down. So when you join it together, that's 0.7. When you join it together, it intersects with this place. Then the lower part also, when you do it and you join together, it intersects with this place. Now, don't forget, you know I have 0.7 here also. So here we just intersect this place like this broken line. This is what I want to do here. So this is what I want to do here. This small place here, broken line. Here also, broken line. Then here to join, broken line. Like this. So I have the broken line for that place. Now remaining some another one, which is this one now. Now I know that from here to here is 25, right? 16 is for this one. 25 minus 16, that's 9. 9 divided by 2, that's 4.5. That's 0.45. So let's assume 0.4. So we're going to take 0.4. From this 0.7 now, we take 0.4 down, like this. 0.4 down. From here also, 0.4 down. Then from this place now, it will now be 0.4 up. Then here also, 0.4 up. So I'm going to join them together. Then at the same time, it will intersect with this one here. The same thing downwards also, the 0.4. Join and intersect with this one as a faint line, as you can see. So, but in between this place now, it will be as thick line, thick broken line like this and like this. So that's what I have there. Now, finally, there's one more thing to do. Now, at this place now, from here, I will join these two together, here and there. Yeah, I will join them together, then I will extend them to this place. Now, when I now get here, look at this place. I will now use a French curve. So if I just take my ruler for here, making sure it's okay, let me just, this way doesn't really have a dimension. I will take my French curve at the same time. I want to get a curve at this place, just like I did here. I want to get the same thing here. So I'll use this place, this second to the last one, and I'll also do like this. So when I get this place, I will now join to this. Okay. So this will complete both my front view and the side view. So this was the front and the side. Now let's go over to the plan. Hmm? Now to the plan now, which will be below here. Okay. Now this is the last line. Hmm? This is what we have here. So my plan is going to start from this is the middle. My plan will start from here to on this same line to this place at first. So as a straight line, I will have this as thick line first, from here to here, thick line. Hmm? Then downwards to this place, thick line. Hmm? Then after that, this one now. So to this place as thick line. To this place as thick line. The video is a bit long because I need to explain each of the steps. So I hope you don't mind that. Now, my French curve again. Okay. Firstly, let me join these two together. So the 1.2. Now, from here, this one and this one supposed to meet here, but they will be as a curve. Now, I'm using this French curve again, like this, so that I will get a curve at this place. So then I will join this place together. Hmm? And I will join this place also together. Okay. Now, next for the inside. Now, this place and this place. I will use French curve also. Let me start from here. I will get one at this place like this. Then I will get another one at this place like this. So when I get that, firstly, I join these two together as a straight line, thick line, and straight. After that, I join from here to here, thick line, from here to here, thick line. And then I will intersect this place and this place. Okay. Now what's next? Some broken lines that are in the structure. Now, if from here to here is 40, from here to here is 20, what? 15, right? We said difference from here to here will be 15, right? And 15. Okay. Now, where is it going to be 15? Now let's check. I'm going to make this line to be my 0. This 0 and here will be my point 1.5. I'll do the same thing here. 1.5 from here also inwards, which will be this place. So I will join it to this edge of this circle as a faint line, and also to the edge of this circle here as a faint line. But now this 1.5, this in between this structure now, it will now be as broken line or true, to show that there is a space in this structure, although it cannot be seen from the top, which is the plan, but we indicate it as a broken line. So that's how we get that one. Now next is these broken lines here that will be at this side. Now first of all, okay, now let's continue. Now this one now, the bigger diameter. Now this one is 2.5 centimeter as a diameter. Half of 2.5 is 1.25. So let's align our ruler like this. Okay. So this is it. My this place 1.25, that's between 1. The space between 1.2 and 1.3 is on this line So I mark 0 and I mark 2.5. When I do that, I will join it to the edge of this big circle here, the edge of this medium circle here, then this one also to the edge of this medium circle here. Hmm? So that in between this structure, this place now, it will be as broken line, like this, broken line. Then I will join the top broken line. I already have 0.7 there. So that's why I join. Now what's next? The other two. Now the other two now, from here to here is 1.6. Half of it is 0.8. So I also do the same thing. I align 0.8 to this middle line. 0.8 is on this middle line. So I mark 0, then 1.6. 0.8 is that 0.8 left, 0.8 right. Then I will also join it to intersect with this small circle here to the edge of this small circle, then also to the edge of this small circle. But now in between this place, it will be a thick broken line like this and like this. Now next, this there'll be an edge here. If you view it from the plan, which will be this place, this will be a thick line. Here we have a thick line. Okay. What next? Okay. So that is all for this diagram. That's all for this diagram. So the next thing to do now is for you to add your dimension. So you just do your dimensioning. So let me do it here. Since I have enough space here, I have the total for this. Let me have another one like this. Now total, I know everything is 136. From here to here is 15. So I can just put everything 15. From here to here is 50. From here to here is another 15. Remember, from here to here is what? 16. And from here to here is what? 40. Okay. Um, okay. Diameter, this one, I can come here and do it like this. And say this one is of diameter 80. Then I can come here and do it like this. And say this one is of diameter 50. Yeah, radius is 25, diameter is 50. Then for this one, I can come here, then say this one is of diameter 40. If you want to do radius, you say radius 20. This one, I can come here and say this one is of diameter 25. Then this one is of diameter 16. Then downwards, I know totally everything is 126. Downwards, everything downwards is 126. Then I put some of the dimensions. Here is 12. Here is 12. Then I know everything from here to here is what? 18. Then from here to here is 26. So that's all for this one.